Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to hide country settings on Instagram. For that we need to go to Instagram account and go to profile and click on uh, three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy and scroll it down. Here we see the wait, I will show you. It will here we will see add tools. Where it is here. Here now we can see the business tools and controls. We need to click on that, and here we need to go to switch account type. Here we have professional account and personal account. So when we created a professional account, on that we will give our country address also for the details. So when we switch to personal account, the account will be gone. Here you can see that the professional account is coming to switch to personal account. When you are giving the professional account, you must give your country details also and your personal details also. When you will switch to personal account, the cache will be clear. Like this you can hide your country on Instagram. Thank you. Now my account was is personal account now. Like that we can do.